Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and this video will show you the way how to hide the application on iPhone or how to find them back whenever you already hide them. So here you just need to open your phone now, and the first screen that you see right now is a home screen, part or the place that all of the applications appear on your screen here. So now if you want to hide one of the application on your home screen, you just need to decide which application that you want to hide, and after that you just need to click and hold. Let's see, I will to hide this drive application. So the thing that we need to do is just go click, hold, and drag a little bit the applications until the application is start to be shaking. And after that you just need to go click the minus button on the left corner of the application, and after that you just need to go click remove from home screen. And now your application, your drive, is already hidden. You can do for the rest of the application that you want to hide. And how to find the hidden applications back, you just need to visit your app library. This is the home screen. So the home screens of every iPhone or every device could be different. It's just depending on the owner, and my home screen here is only one. So whenever I slide into the left side, there will be going into the app library right away. So to find the application back, you just need to go click the search button here, the application that you want to find, and after you found it, you just need to go click and drag the application. Click, hold, and drag. And now you just need to drag and place them into your home screen back, and it's already unhidden. So that's the way how to hide and unhidden the application on your iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.